Welcome back to Villa Famiglia, everybody. We are week 60. So we have got drywall done. We've got the outside pretty much buttoned up. We're waiting for the weather to warm up and dry up. And then we can start painting the exterior of this house. Masonry, as you can see over my shoulder, complete. We still have some exterior finishing work to get done out here, but mostly what's happening inside is we have the painting team in here, getting the walls and the ceilings finished and ready to go. So let's go in and see what our friends from Rockstar Painting are doing for these clients right now. Okay, so here we are inside of the house and the drywallers have pulled right out. The home has been cleaned, cleared out, vacuumed, immaculatized. And so now we have our friends from Rockstar Painting in here getting everything final sanded and ready for primer and paint. So I don't know if they're painting upstairs or not yet. We're gonna learn that all together. But nonetheless, we are now down to the short strokes in this project. So within the next couple of weeks, well, actually within the next month, we'll have floors, maybe even some cabinets. I mean, there's gonna be a ton of progress. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Definitely wanna subscribe and hit that notification bell. Okay, so we can start to get a glimmer of what is going on behind the scenes and preparing for painting the walls and ceilings. So the painters are going around and blocking off, polying off all the windows and doors so that we do not get that spray onto the windows and doors. You'll remember from previous videos, anytime you see somebody with a spray gun, that is basically atomizing the paint and it will go everywhere and it will attach itself to everything. Coming into the primary ensuite, we've got our Kerdi membrane on the walls, on the floor. This has been flood tested now, so this is totally watertight, good to go. And again, painters are getting the windows protected so that they don't get covered in paint. Beautiful. One of the bedrooms up here, again, windows protected. And in here, we've got the shower pan done. This has also been flood tested, but we have not got the Kerdi membrane on the walls yet. This will get wrapped in Kerdi membrane before any tile gets put on there. That much I promise. I also promise you might not get to see that because it might happen before we get to come back here and show you that it got done, but I can assure you there is Kerdi membrane behind any tile here at Team Sprucehill. Don't punish your neighbors, hire Sprucehill. Like I said, don't punish your neighbors, hire Sprucehill. Like I said again, don't punish your neighbors, hire Sprucehill. One last time, don't punish your neighbors, hire Sprucehill. Listen, if you want to work with a contractor that takes pride in their job site as much as they do in the home that they're renovating or building for you, hire Sprucehill. That's a wrap on today, everybody. Listen, if you get any value, education, or entertainment out of our videos, we sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe or follow us and or share these videos with your friends and family. We would love to introduce Sprucehill to as many people as we can. In the meantime, I've also created another channel called The Ground Truth with Erik Jensen, where I spend a little bit of time talking about local policies and how that's affecting the housing supply and affordability of the homes that we can build for you. In the meantime, if you have a home that you're thinking about renovating, we would love to be your partners in success. Phone us, catch us on the web. Either way, we'd love to connect with you. As always, stay awesome. Thanks for watching and catch you on the next one. Bye now.